Hi everyone, how did you feel after the cooking class in English? I felt so sorry because I wasn't able to attend. If I had been there, I would have made the French great. Um, I think it's so good for breakfast to have enough energies before starting a new day, and its main ingredients are quite simple: egg, flour, milk, and a bit of sauce and oil, and maybe whipping. But I dislike whipping, so I dislike whipping because it's pretty much fat and it's so sweet. I will ignore it, and to make a crepe includes a lot of steps. Uh, so um, so if I usually eat it if I usually eat crepe, I think I will um, the prepare butter or crepe before. So uh, in the morning I just have to slice fruits what I want, and next time I hope I won't ignore any cooking class in English. See you. Bye bye.